Hello students, how are you? चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल। स्टूडेंट्स आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर, मेरी मेल आईडी आपके लिए दी गई है। स्टूडेंट्स इस पर आप अपनी क्वेरीज को भेज सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, पाइथागोरस, ही इज अ पाइथागोरस 569 to 479 BC. Theorem: if a perpendicular to drawn from the vertex of the right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangle on the both side of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Now let's start the Pythagoras theorem. Here is student, in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. We are given a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. We need to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let us draw BD is perpendicular to AC in figure. Now triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Theorem 6.7. AD upon AB is equal to AB upon AC. Sides are proportionals. AD into AC is equal to AB square. Equation number first. In a triangle BDC is similar triangle ABC, though CD upon BC equal to BC upon AC, CD into AC equal to BC square. Equation number 2. Adding equation first and equation second, AD into AC plus CD into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC bracket में AD plus CD is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Now students, next theorem is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore theorem 69, in the triangle if the square of the one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is right angle. Here we are given triangle ABC in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We need to prove that angle B is equal to 90. To start with the construction APQR, right angle at Q such that PQ is equal to AB and QC equal to BC. Now from triangle PQR we have PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Pythagoras theorem, angle Q is equal to 90. So PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square by construction, equation number first. But AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square given. So AC equal to PR from first and second. Now triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PQ by construction, BC equal to QR by construction, AC equal to PR. Prove in third. Above just prove triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR as congruency. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle Q is equal to 90. So angle B is equal to 90 by CPCT. Now students, let's start exercise 6.5. Side of the triangles are given below. Determine which of the terms and the right triangle. In case the right triangle, write the length of hypotenuse. It is given that the side of the triangle and 7 cm, 44 cm, 25 cm, squaring the length of the side 49, 576 and 625. So 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. The side of the given triangle are satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore it is right triangle. We know the longest side of the right triangle is hypotenuse. The length of hypotenuse is equal to 25 cm. Similarly 386, 9 plus 36 not equal to 64 is not satisfy Pythagoras theorem, not a right triangle. Third, 50, 80, 100 and 2500, 6400 and 10,000. Here is 2500 plus 6400 not equal to 10,000. So 50 square plus 80 square not equal to 100 square, not satisfy right angle triangle. Now students, clearly in next, as the 144 plus 25 is equal to 169 satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. The longest side Pythagoras hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Second, PQR in triangle right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR, so that PM square is equal to QM into MR. Answer, triangle दिया गया है. Let MPR is equal to X and triangle MPR is equal to 180 minus 90 minus X. Angle MRP 90 minus X. Similarly in MPQ is equal to 90 minus MPR is equal to 90 minus X. Angle MQP is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 90 minus x. Angle MQP is equal to x in triangle QMP and MPMR. MPQ is equal to MRP and PMQ is equal to RMP. Angle MQP is equal to MPR. Angle triangle QMP is similar triangle PMR by AA similarity criterion. QM upon PM is equal to MP upon MR. PM square is equal to QM into MR. Now students, in figure 6.53 ABD in triangle right triangle at A. So students, this question is your homework, but मैं आपको इसको समझा देता हूं. Here is if we have to prove AB square is equal to BC into BD. So here is AB square. AB is a triangle. They are taking two triangle which have a side BA. So CBA and angle BAD. This is the two triangle. The triangle is similar triangle. BCA is equal to BAD, similar triangle. So using similarity criteria and get result AB square is equal to BC minus BD. Again, if we have to prove AD square, there is two triangle AD square. So DCA is similar triangle DAB. So using ये similarity criterion and get AD square is equal to BD into CD. But to prove the AC square is equal to BC into DC, so here is the two triangle. Their name is DCA is equal to similar triangle ACB, and using similarity criteria and get result AC square is equal to BC into DC. Now students, here's fourth, ABC is an isosceles triangle right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Answer: given ABC is isosceles triangle, AC equal to CB. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, AC square plus CB square is equal to AB square. AC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. 2AC square is equal to AB square. Now student, next question number 5. ABC is isosceles triangle, AC equal to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. So AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. AB square plus AC is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC equal to BC. The triangle satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Now students, next question number 6. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Let's AD be the altitude in given equilateral triangle ABC. We know that altitude bisect the opposite side BD equal to DC equal to A. In triangle ADB is equal to 90. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we obtain AD square plus DB square is equal to AB square. AD square plus A square is equal to 2A का whole square. AD square is equal to A square is equal to 4A square. AD square is equal to 3A square. AD equal to A root 3. In an equilateral triangle, all the altitude are given in equal length. Therefore, the length of each altitude will be root 3A. Now student, question number 7. Prove that the sum of the square of the side of the rhombus equal to the sum of the square of the diagonal. In triangle AOB, BOC, COD and AOD, applying the Pythagoras theorem, because in a square is a rhombus and diagonal of the square bisect each other at right angle. So AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square, equation number first. BC square is equal to BO square plus OC square, equation number second. CD square plus is equal to CO square plus OD square, equation number 3. AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square, equation number 4. Adding all these equations, we obtain AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to 2 bracket में AO plus OB plus OC square plus OD square, 2 ब्रैकेट में AC अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर, BD अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर, AC अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर, BD अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर. डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. सो 2 ब्रैकेट में AC स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, BD स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. सो AC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर. Now students, question number 8, figure 6.54. O is the point of interior of the triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC. OF is perpendicular to AB. So that here is the triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem in AOF, we obtain OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. Similarly, triangle BOD, OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Similarly, in triangle COE, OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square. Adding these equation, OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to OF square plus AF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus EC square. And from the above result, AF square plus BD square plus EC square is equal to OA square minus OE square plus OC square minus OD square plus OB square minus OF square. AF square plus BD square plus EC square is equal to AE square plus AD square plus BF square. Now student, question number 9. The ladder 10 meter long reaches window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder. Here is a triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus OA square plus OB square. So OB is equal to 6 meter. A gay wire attached to a vertical pole of the height 18 meter is 24 meter long and stake attached at the other end. How far the base of the pole should be the stake and driven so that the wire will be taut. So this is the right triangle. We get to OA. So applying Pythagoras theorem, 24 square is equal to 18 square plus OA square. So OA is equal to 6 under root में 7. Now question number 11. An aeroplane leaves airport flying due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport, the flight, and due west at a speed of the 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Answer: distance traveled by the pole is the 1.5, that is a 1500 km. Similarly, distance traveled by the plane flying toward west is 1800 km. Let these two distance be represented by OA, OB respectively. Applying Pythagoras theorem, here is the AB is equal to under root में OA square plus OB square, and applying substituting all the value and get the value of AB is equal to 300 under root में 61 km after 1.5 hour. Now student, question number 12. Two poles of the height 6 meter and 18 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet up and the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their top. Here is triangle. Let CD and AB be the pole of the height 11 meter, 6 meter. Therefore, CP is equal to 11 minus 6 meter. From the figure, it can be observed that AP is equal to 12 meter. Applying Pythagoras theorem, triangle APC, we obtain AP square plus BC square is equal to AC square, and 12 meter square plus 5 meter square plus AC square is AC is equal to 13 meter. Now students, here is a 13. D and E are the point on the side CA and CB respectively of the triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Applying this theorem ACE, we obtain AC square plus CE square is equal to AE square. Equation number first. Applying Pythagoras triangle BCD, BC square plus CD square plus BD square. Equation number 2. Using first and second, we obtain AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Equation number 3. Applying Pythagoras theorem CDE, we obtain DE square plus CD square plus CE square. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we obtain AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Putting the value equation number 3, we obtain DE square plus AB square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Now students, there is the next question. The perpendicular from A on the side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to 3CD. In figure, prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Applying Pythagoras theorem in ACD, we obtain AC square plus AD square plus DC square. AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Applying Pythagoras theorem ABD, we obtain AD square is equal to AB square minus DB square. Equation number 2. From equation first and second, we obtain AC square minus DC square is equal to AB square minus DB square. Equation number 3. It is given that 3DC is equal to DB. DC is equal to BC upon 4, DB is equal to 3BC upon 4. Putting this value in equation number 3, we obtain AC square minus BC upon 4 का square is equal to AB square minus 3BC upon 4 का square. AC square minus BC square upon 16 is equal to AB square minus 9BC square upon 16. 16 AC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square minus 9BC square. 16 AB square minus 16 AC square is equal to 8BC square. 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. Now students, next question, question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is the point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Answer has the figure. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be A and AE be the altitude of triangle ABC. BE is equal to EC equal to BC upon 2, A upon 2. A is equal to A under root 3 upon 2. BD is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. BD is equal to A upon 3. DE, BE, minus BD is equal to A upon 2 minus A upon 3 is equal to A upon 6. Applying Pythagoras theorem and ADE, we obtain AD square is equal to A square plus DE square. AD square is equal to A root 3 by 2 का whole square plus A upon 6 का whole square. 3A square upon 4 plus A square upon 36. 28A square upon 36. 7 upon 9AB square. So 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now students, here is the 16th question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times of the square of the one side of the equal of the 4 times the square of the one altitude triangle are given. BE, EC equal to BC upon 2, A upon 2. Applying the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABE, and we obtain AB square is equal to A square plus BE square. A square is equal to A square plus A upon 2 का whole square. A square is equal to A square minus A square upon 4. A square is equal to 3A square upon 4. 4A square is equal to 3A square. 4 into square of the altitude is equal to 3 into square of the 4A square is equal to 3A square, implies that 4 into square of the altitude is equal to 3 into square of the one side. Now students, question number 17. Tick the correct answer. Justify in triangle ABC. AB is equal to 6 root 3, AC equal to 12, BC equal to 6. Angle B is, there is the 4 option. Given that AB square is equal to 108, AC square 144, BC square 36. Applying Pythagoras theorem. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. स्टूडेंट्स, आप अपना जो है कोई भी सुझाव हमारे नंबर पे दे सकते हैं. आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. बी हैप्पी, अपना ख्याल रखिए, स्टे एट होम.